Good morning, children. Today we start online class for class 7. In this class, we are going to discuss a new lesson, that is acids and bases. Do you have any idea about acids and bases? And do you have any information regarding these, children? Right now we will discuss what are acids and bases in clear. A substance with particular chemical properties. A substance with particular chemical properties. What are chemical properties? See, toxicity, reactivity, flammability, oxidation state, and many more chemical properties are there. A few of the chemical properties are this. What is toxicity? If we have consumed acids directly to your mouth, what will happen? It is poisonous. It is very dangerous to your health. If we consume, we will die, because toxicity means what? Poison. Then reactivity. Reactivity means what? If suppose you want to do an experiment, while doing experiment you took one of the acid, hydrochloric acid, then you take along with the acid you take a base, then you reacted both of them in a glass tumbler, then suddenly what it will have? It reacts with the base. Understand, children? It reacts with the base. It has a reactivity property. Then what is flammability? Some acids produce burning nature. If suppose two of the acids or one of the acid or one of the base is combined, what will happen? It brings big flammability. Understand, children? That's why it's very dangerous. We'll see lot of college students wear apron while entering into the chemical labs. Why they do? Along with that they use some gloves, whatever it may be, for their safety. Because when they are experimenting with the chemicals, they have to follow these safety measures, or otherwise this is one of the cause flammability. And oxidation states, those are +1 and -1. This may come in the next classes, means 9th, 10th, but right now it is not necessary. I am saying properties. A substance with particular chemical properties. Chemical properties means all these four: toxicity, reactivity, flammability, and oxidation states. There are many more, but we are discussed only four. Then turning litmus red. What is turning litmus red? See, litmus. What is litmus? Litmus is an indicator. What is indicator? See, litmus comes from lichen plant. There is a plant called lichen. From the lichen plant, we will get this litmus. It is a dye. It is a colored dye. Litmuses are of two types. What are those? Blue litmus and red litmus. These blue litmus and red litmus give the indication of the color. Understand, children? Whether it is acid or base. For suppose you take this blue litmus. Okay? This is a blue litmus. This is a paper. Like it will be like this. Think this is a blue litmus. Suddenly you dipped in a acid. This is a acid in the glass tumbler, and you dipped the blue litmus paper into the acid. After pulling the red litmus out, the color changes from blue litmus paper to red. Suddenly it changes to red. Understand, children? That's why they say turning litmus red. Whatever the blue litmus paper you inserted into the any of the acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid, whatever the acid, if you insert into the acid, suddenly the color of the blue changes into red. That's why they say turning litmus red. Next, taste sour. What is taste sour? All acids are taste sour. That's why. But you think like this: can we taste acids? No, not at all. You don't want to taste any of the acid. If you taste the acid, then you may hurt. Okay, children, don't taste acids. See, but how, sir? How acids are so taste sour? What is the reason? Simply, lemon. Lemon or orange. Children, lemon and orange contain citric acid. Understand? That's why we can't able to take lemon or orange to our mouth. Why? It tastes sour. Understand, children? Lemon and orange contains citric acid. Citric acid. So by this we can say all acids are sour to taste. Understand, children? Right now we'll see what are bases. First of all, we'll see acids. See, children, in our nature, fruits, vegetables are there, no? In fruits and vegetables, there are many acids. A few of them we will write it. In apples, we see malic acid. Malic acid. In lemon, citric acid. Tamarind. Tamarind contains tartaric acid. Tartaric acid. Next, vinegar. Vinegar. Vinegar is utilized while making noodles. Vinegar. Acetic acid. There are many more acids, but these are the some of the acids I mentioned. Along with that, there are some factory acids, means that are very dangerous when compared to these acids. What are those acids? Simply HCl. HCl, hydrochloric acid. HCl full form is hydrochloric acid. Then H2SO4. What is H2SO4? Sulfuric acid. Children, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. Next, HNO3. What is? These are all the formulas, chemical formula of those names. HNO3 is nothing but nitric acid. Children, these are very dangerous acids. See, one of the acid is present in our stomach, that is hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid is present in our stomach. How, sir? We cannot notice any time, no, sir. Then how can you say? Because whatever the food you eat, that goes into the stomach. After getting into the stomach, this fellow hydrochloric acts onto the food. Along with the hydrochloric acid, some enzymes. Understand, children? Some enzymes make the food to grind well. Like a grinder will mix, no? Like in the stomach also same process repeats. This fellow is very crucial, means it plays very important role in our stomach. It may release several times, even if you eat or don't eat. That's why you will get some gastro-reflex diseases. Gastro-esophagus reflex disease. Understand, children? If you don't eat any of the food, if you take the food for a long time, what will happen? Means suppose you want to take, if you want to consume the food for 12 o'clock in the afternoon, but you have consumed the food by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, then what will happen? This fellow releases several times. Okay, children? This fellow releases. It may appears to the esophagus. This is the esophagus, no? It appears to esophagus and makes us very burning sensation in the stomach and pains. Whatever it may be, it is all caused by this acid. That's why we have to eat food in a proper time. Okay, children? Hydrochloric acid is present in our stomach. These are the dangerous acid. Among this is the king of the chemicals. King of the chemicals is the sulfuric acid. Right now we'll see what are bases. What are bases? Bases are slippery to touch. Bases are slippery to touch. And bases tastes better. Children, bases are slippery to touch. What bases are slippery to touch? For suppose you take a bucket full of water. You take Rin, Surf Excel, or whatever it may be, detergent powders you know in the market. You bring a Rin packet and immerse into the water and mix it. What will happen? You will find that your hands become slippery, very slippery. Understand children? Your hands become very slippery when you insert the clothes into the detergent water or soap water. Why your hands become very slippery? Because bases, those are bases. All detergents like Rin, Surf Excel, next whatever it may be, those are all bases. Okay children? All washing products are bases. That's why they are very slippery to touch. Then bases taste better. Why bases taste better? Anytime you have drinks, that bases are taste better. No, we cannot say that bases. We can say that bases is a taste better. How sir? See, soap water. Soap water. Taste anytime once of all soap water. When you take a bath, you will see sometimes some water goes into your mouth. Then that time you will notice that soap water tastes better. Understand children? These are the bases. Understand? Next third point is turning litmus blue. In the acids, we discussed that turning litmus red. Whenever we get the blue litmus into the acid, it turns into red. Right now, coming to the bases, whenever you get the red litmus into the base, for suppose this is a soap water. This is not acid, this is a soap water. You mix a soap solution along with the water. Right now, this is a soap solution. You put red litmus. This is a red litmus. What will happen? The color of the litmus changes to blue. Understand children? Bases have three properties. What those properties? Bases are slippery to touch. Okay, when we touch the bases, those are very slippery. That's why after washing the clothes, after cleaning the utensils, we wash our hands because they are very slippery to touch. And bases taste bitter. Bitter means chedu. Okay children, next turning litmus blue. Whenever you put the litmus paper, it turns to blue. These are the properties of the acids and bases. In the next class, we will discuss in clear what are the experiments regarding acids and bases.